Hello. हेलो हरप्रीत मैम, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी प्लीज गो अहेड।
हाँ जी सर, सेशन स्टार्ट कर दिए। अपने डॉक्टर हिमांशु सर ने ज्वाइन कर लिया, मैं चेक कर लें सर।
So in the meanwhile, Jitendra ma'am, you can just engage the participants with some activities till the evaluator joins us, Professor Himanshu Agarwal. Jitendra ma'am. Yes ma'am, please engage the participants till Professor Himanshu Agarwal joins us.
Okay, I request Gauri ma'am if she is there in the session. Gauri ma'am.
Can we ask some other hidden talent, because she is contributing a lot in all the days of this.
Okay sir, okay, actually she is from our side, that's why I've called her name.
मैडम मैं बोलना चाहूँगा सर जी।
हाँ जी सर प्लीज।
हाँ मैडम, सारे पहले तो सत श्री अकाल सारे पंजाबी की बोलूँगा मैं, क्योंकि अजकल थोड़ी फ्रीडम है। वो कहते हैं ना, मैं मात भाषा की गल करनी चाहना। सब तो चंगी ते सच्ची गल बंदा अपनी मात भाषा कर सकता है। तो मैनू भी ऐ लगता है कि जो असी, मैं सन्मान करता सारी रीजनल लैंग्वेज, नैशनल लैंग्वेज का ते इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज का, पर जो मजा आपकी बोली च बोल के आता है ना, वो किसी दूजी भाषा में नहीं आता। वो बहुत ऑकवर्ड जी सिचुएशन हो जाती है जो किसी अदर लैंग्वेज गल करनी पैंदी है। असल च साडा कसूर नहीं है, साडे लाइफ स्टाइल का भी नहीं है, क्योंकि एक बच्चे को जो उहदे घर चों मिलता है, फिर समाज चों मिलता है, तो फिर सबजैक्ट चों मिलता है। मैं बस एवं थोड़ी जी गल्लां करूँगा, जो तुहानूं लगे कि मैं ज़्यादा हो रहा तो प्लीज़ मैनूं लगता है कि जो असीं किसी सबजैक्ट के विद्यार्थी हुंदे आ तो सारी उम्र सिखते रहने हैं। सो पहली मान वाली गल यह है कि पंजाबी खिते तो बिलोंग करते हैं, तो ये खिता हमेशा उन्हां लोकां दा राह दसेरा बनिया जिहड़े अनखीले बहादुर लोग रहे ने। खिता किसी का नहीं हुंदा, लोग आउंदे जांदे रहिंदे आ, ते फिर उत्थों की जरखेज धरती की जिहड़ी बोली है वो माखियों मिठी है। ते इन्नी मिठी बोली च जदों असीं गल करते हैं तो आपदे आप नूं थोड़ा स्वैमान जरूर आ जाता है। पर सारियां बोलियां चंगियां ने। हुण कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि 2-3 भाषावां होर चंगी तरह सीखीए, कि कल नूं हो सकता है किते ऑनलाइन के जहाज़ से चढ़ के कनेडा अमेरिका चल जाइए, तो उत्थे फिर पंजाबी नाल थोड़ा बहुता चल जूगा काम, नहीं फिर अंग्रेजी बोलनी पऊगी। सो कुछ यादां ने विभाग का विद्यार्थी रहा मैं भाषा विज्ञान का, ते बड़े मेरे सन्मानयोग टीचर अध्यापक साहबान उदों सी इत्थे मेरे नाल जिहड़े साडी कल रिटायर भी ने। तां उदों उस समय एक इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस कराई गई, तो जिहड़ी कि पूरी की पूरी अंग्रेजी ते ही सी, ते अंग्रेजी भाषा वाले बुलारे आए हुए सी। मैं उदों एमफिल का विद्यार्थी सी, डॉक्टर जोगा सिंह का स्टूडेंट सी, ते सर बहुत वधिया अंग्रेजी बोलते आ, ते फिक्र करते आ पंजाबी का भी। ते मैनू नाल रखते सी, जदों भी कोई बाहर इंटरनेशनल कोई स्पीकर आउंदा तां वो गलबात करते, पहला अंग्रेजी च गल करते, हौली हौली अगले स्पीकर नूं इन्ना पोलाइट लिआउंदे कि वो भी पंजाबी ते आ जांदा। तां मौका मिलिया कि उदों बड़ा कल्ली पंजाबी तो इलावा भी एक शब्द जे अंग्रेजी च बोलना होवे तां बड़ा औखा लगदा सी। तां मैनूं लगदा हुंदा कि जे चंगे गुरु चंगे तुहाडे रहनुमा तुहानूं टक्कर जाण तां फिर भाषा बैरीयर नहीं हो सकता। वैसे ही लैंगुएज तो है ही बड़ी कमाल की चीज़ है कि बच्चे नूं किहड़ी लैंगुएज आउंदी हुंदी है वो अपनी मां नूं सारा कुछ समझा जांदा है। तां सानूं मैनूं लगदा कि कोई भी भाषा सीखण लई बच्चे बनना चाहिए। सो यही मेरी गलबात सी। बहुत बहुत मेहरबानी।
सर ਤੁਹਾਡਾ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बहुत वधिया है अपने पंजाबी विभाग ਦੇ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਹਰ ਰੀਜਨਲ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। It's very nice to listen from you. So I request all other participants, if anyone is willing to share his life experiences with us, they are most welcome to join us here. As Himanshu sir is trying to connect with this free conference call, but they are not making it. So meanwhile, I request any participants from Punjabi University, they are very, they conversate very well. They make us so enjoyable by conversating, by sharing a couplets with us, by singing a song as they have done in the morning session. So I request anybody from Punjabi University, especially Dr. Balraj sir, if they want to share anything, kindly come forward.
हेलो
Hello.
मेरी आवाज आ रही?
Yes sir, yes sir.
डॉक्टर राजविंदर तुसी सुनाओ कुछ।
मैं भी ढींडसा साहब नूं बेनती करना चाहता सी जी डॉक्टर राजविंदर हरी मौजूद ने साडे च, वो भी कोई अपनी गल करनगे, नाले वैसे भी टैक्नोलॉजी दे माहर ने। डॉक्टर राजविंदर जी नूं मेरी भी बेनती है जी।
Hello. Thank you. I think Himanshu sir has joined us. Himanshu sir, are you there? Dr. Vishal? Vishal sir?
हेलो।
Thank you sir. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ
So, Dr. Charanjeev is there. Dr. Charanjeev, please unmute yourself. Dr. Charanjeev.
हेलो।
Yes, Charanjeev sir. Hello. हाँ जी चरणजीत जी। Charanjeev, हाँ जी, please share the screen, please share the PPTs so that we can start showing the
So,
presentation.
Himanshu sir has joined.
Yeah, just wait. We start the presentation first. We display the presentation, then we'll start the session.
Okay. Okay sir. Today I have a very pleasant duty of introducing our resource person, Dr. Himanshu. He is working as a professor in a Department of Computer Engineering, Punjabi University, Patiala. He has completed his BTech in Computer Science from Punjabi University, Patiala, and he has secured 90% marks in ME Computer Science in 1998 from Thapar University, Patiala. It's a really very appreciable achievement on your part, sir. And he has completed his PhD uh, with the specialization in information system effectiveness, a business IT alignment approach. He is a member of various professional bodies like Computer Society of India, International Association of Engineers, International Scientific Society for Information Theories and Applications, and so on. He has published about 95 research papers in various international journals. 9 research scholars have completed their PhD under his able guidance and 7 are currently pursuing. He has also guided 32 MTech theses till date. He has presented a paper in various national and international conferences. So I welcome Himanshu sir to use this in this session of presentation. In this session, we have 8 participants, and I request you to kindly watch this session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. So straight away we can start with the session.
Yes, sir. So the first participant is Dr. Harpreet Kaur. Ma'am Harpreet Kaur.
Dr. Harpreet.
Dr. Harpreet, is it audible to you? Yes, Harpreet Kaur ma'am. Can anyone call her?
Otherwise she is visible in participants.
Okay ma'am, we can start with the next participant when she will be connected, so we can start with that. So let's move to
Fine,
the next.
sir, fine. The next participant is Mrs. Maninder Kaur.
Hello, good afternoon to all of you.
Ma'am, you are Dr. Harpreet Kaur?
No, sir. No, ma'am, I am Maninder. And
Okay,
topic of
fine, ma'am, fine.
May I start?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. So I am Maninder. I am going to present a topic combating stress and anxiety during COVID-19 lockdown. Next slide, please. So as everybody is aware of COVID-19, so it is a difficult time for all of us as we hear about spread of COVID-19 from all over the world through television, social media, newspapers, family and friends, and other sources. The most common emotion faced by all of us is fear. It makes us anxiety, panic, and even possible to make us think, say as to do things that we might not consider appropriate under normal circumstances. So next slide, please. Next slide, please. For minding our minds during COVID-19, we must be aware of the persons who are suffered from this illness and keep the infection rate and keep the distance away from them. So the objective is to encourage them towards engaging in social distancing. Next slide, please. So understanding the importance of lockdown. What are the drawbacks or the benefits of lockdown? From one person to another, protect ourselves and others. This means, last slide please. This means not stepping out of the house except for buying necessity, reducing the number of trips outside, and ideally only a single healthy family members making the trip when absolutely necessary. If there is nothing in the house, if there is anyone in the house who is very sick and may need to get medical help, you must be aware of the healthy facility nearest to you. So next slide please. Handling social isolation. So staying at home can be quite nice for sometimes. Here are some ways to keep positive and cheerful. Be busy with a regular schedule. Help in doing some of the work at home. Distract yourself from the negative emotions by listening to music, reading, watching or entertaining program on television. Next slide please. Eat well and drink plenty of fluids. Be physically active. Do simple indoor exercise that will keep you fit and feeling fit. Sharing is caring. Understand if someone around you needs advice, food or other essentials. Elderly people may feel confused, lost and need help. Offer them help by getting them what they need, their medicines, daily needs, etc. Next slide please. Focus on facets, reject rumors and theories. Knowledge is power. The more you know about a certain issue, the less you may feel. Make sure to assess and believe only the most reliable sources of information for self-protection. Don't follow sensational news or social media posts which may impact your mental state. Don't spread or share any unverified news or information further. Don't keep discussing all the time about who got sick and how. Instead, learn about who got well and recovered. Except for not coronavirus, the symptoms of corona have been well described. Follow the other precautions also. In most people, the corona infection causes mild symptoms and the person only needs to follow the social distancing. She stops being inactive usually for 2 weeks. So mild infection doesn't require a person to be in the hospital. Only people who have difficulty need to hospitalize and recover. Sir, are you able to hear me? Yes. So what is not advisable, as I have already explained. Next slide please. So also I have covered all these points like connected, so that what is advisable to do. And now next is emotional. The slide next is handling emotional problems. Yeah, emotional issues after recovery. Sir, इसको पहला वाली slide. Okay, you may skip that slide. And emotional wellness. So emotional issues after recovery. While it is wonderful to recover from the COVID, last slide. Emotional issues after recovery. While it is wonderful to recover from COVID infection, you may actually face stress after you have recovered and wish to get back into the community. You may have fear about your loved ones falling ill. People do not understand the illness well, may actually keep you at a distance, which is also very stressful and isolating. You may experience feeling of debt that not able to work or care for others. This may lead to feeling of depression, helplessness or frustration. Use the ways mentioned earlier to deal with these feelings. Share your positive story that is possible to recover from the COVID infection. Next slide please. Recognize mental health problems in your near and dear ones. So just as you can recognize your own mental health problems, such problems in your near and dear, which may include changes in sleep pattern, difficulty in sleeping and concentration, worsening of health problems, increased use of alcohol, tobacco or drugs. So be supportive to them. If the problems persist, please contact the helpline numbers or contact your doctor or a mental health professional. Next slide please.
I'll try to compile. 2 minutes left.
Persons with mental illness. Next slide please. Persons who have previous mental illness may face newer challenges during self-isolation or COVID infection. They would also have the same fears and stress as others, which may worsen their previous mental condition. Yes. Social isolation may make them more withdrawn, moody and irritable. Amen.
The next participant, Dr. Raj Kumar, kindly be ready. Yes.
Audible? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, you are audible. You are audible. Audible.
Good afternoon to all. I'm hearty welcome to this presentation session. Resource person as well as evaluator Dr. Himanshu Agarwal ji, and the presentation session chairman was Jatinder Kaursi, and director of HRDC, and this course coordinator Dr. Vishal Goyal ji, and all the participants. Sir, myself Dr. Raj Kumar, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Bidar, Department of Kannada, Karnataka. My topic is now presentation paper is my topic is benefits of book reading habit. Next. Book reading is a very good habit that one need to develop in life. Good book can inform you, enlighten you, and lead you in the right direction. There is no better companion than a good book. Reading is important because it is good for your overall well-being. Once you start reading, you experience a whole new world. When you start loving the habit of reading, you eventually get addicted to it. Reading develops language, skills, and vocabulary. Reading books is also a way to relax and reduce stress. It is important to read a good book at least a few minutes each day to strengthen the brain muscles for healthy functioning. Next, let's. One is the famous Chinese proverb is a book like a garden carried in a pocket. Some books are to be read, some are to be kept inside because they contain unwanted matter. You have to select books which you want to read from the library or from a bookstall. Books written on great leaders, warriors, saints, and philosophers are available in the library. Reading of good books should become a good habit because reading makes a full man. Next slide. The best way of gaining the knowledge and wisdom is by reading books. We should purchase books and start a private library. A collection of good books will be beneficial too because you can be in the company of great persons while reading their books and also witness or see their remarkable achievements. Next slide. Benefits of book reading habit. First of all, so many habits is there. Now, here only some points we experience it here. Number one, gives a new way of life. Second one is gives a different perspective of life. Third one is reading makes you smarter. Fourth one is reading increases creativity and imagination. Fifth one is improves memory. Sixth one is to learn from masters. Next slide. Books make us better communicators. Books improve our vocabulary, our communication skills improve. Reading enhance our language skill and develop fluency, allowing us to express our thoughts and ideas better. Books educated us. Books fulfill our thirst of knowledge. Through books, we learn about how things work, understanding different culture and comprehend and history of things. We can learn new language, how to improve ourselves, and even how to build things. The right books are full of the useful information that help us become smarter, sharper, more skilled, and more open to new ideas. Books keep our brains healthy. Do you know that when you read books, you are also exercising your brain? The more you read, the more you stimulate your mind. Mental stimulus keeps the blood flowing to your brain, preventing the many diseases. When we read, our cognitive function and memory improve. Next, please. Book reduce stress. Books can help us like a relief tension and relax. Books allow us to escape the stress and anxiety of everyday life by allowing us immerse ourselves in another world of involve us in a topic we find compelling, and because there is a book out there on just about every topic in the world, it is possible for everyone to find the perfect book that will keep them focused on at us. Next. Books motivated us. Books have the power to inspire and motivate us with stories of people who have made something themselves despite the odds. Whether it is the heroistic of a fictional character of the real life atmosphere of someone remarkable from history, books encourage us never to give up, keep moving forward. Next, please. Book plays a vital role in our lives. Book are our best friend. Book are our best teacher. Book gives us great pleasure. Books teach as a communication skill. Book help us develop critical things. Books reduce our stress. Next, please. So, Tatatabhyasam Bodhakana Lakshanam, Tatatabhyasam Sarvatra Sadhanam. Thank you, one and all.
Okay, Dr. Lakveer Singh, kindly start the presentation.
Ready. Respected resource person, today's my topic is exploring the extent of awareness about relief and rehabilitation programs for displaced people, a study of hydropower projects in Himachal Pradesh in India. Since the independence, India has developed thousands of projects and millions of people have been displaced. In India, there is no any adequate relief and rehabilitation policy for affected people. Thousands of people have been displaced in past districts of Himachal Pradesh due to the constructions of hydropower projects. The backdrops. The state of Himachal Pradesh, next slide. State of Himachal Pradesh has 4 large-scale hydropower projects and several small hydropower projects across the Satluj River. Next, 5th slide, sir. The study also suggested some ways to enhance their level of general awareness and the efficacy of the government programs. Next, sir. The main objective of the research paper to study the level of awareness among the displaced people about the relief and rehabilitation programs being provided by the government and NGOs. Next slide, please. Methodology. The present study has been conducted in the Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh. The unique qualitative research method, 10 people from each village were selected, and the sample constituted 150 male and respondents and 150 female respondents from the study area. Next slide, please. Findings. On the whole, the local people were not satisfied by the construction of hydropower projects in their area. It was observed that neither the developers nor the government consulted the local people before initiating the construction work from the project of their locality. Next slide, please. Sadly, only 43% of the local people actually knew about the plan, and the information was not received or given by the government, but the local NGOs and private individuals. Next slide, please. especially near half received the information from the project developers only, while about 16.27% were informed by the NGOs. Government officials provided some preliminary information about the 1/3 of the community people. Next slide, please. The awareness level of the displaced people about the schemes was very low. Only 43% out of the total 300 respondents knew about the one and or the other schemes meant for providing the relief and rehabilitation program. Next slide, please. Conclusion. As it is clear from the finding that the awareness of local people about government schemes relating to the relief and rehabilitation is very low. Only about 43% respondents were aware about the schemes meant for displaced people. Recommendation. To raise the general awareness among the local population for bringing improvement in the quality of life, there is a need for systematic and sustained information, education and communication activities in the scheduled area targeted at the displaced population. Next slide, please. It is in this scenario, what is needed is dissemination of the awareness among the local people by removing the prevailing ignorance and literacy. The government should initiate statewide campaign to educate them and strengthen and streamline of the existing relief and rehabilitation schemes and other provisions and initiatives. So the study also suggested small hydropower projects are more visible than the large-scale hydropower projects. Will be great benefit in the terms of lesser displaced, save agriculture land, systematic irrigation, and more agriculture production due to the water availability. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon to all. Today my topic is understanding about startup and incubation centers and its significance for enriching entrepreneurship in India. Next slide. Hello. Introduction. Startup incubators are
You are audible.
Yes, Subhinder sir, please continue. Subhinder ji, please continue.
Subhinder ji, please continue.
Introduction. Startup incubators are the institutions that help entrepreneurs to develop their business, especially in the initial stages. Incubation function is usually done by institutions who have experience in business and technology work. Incubator support includes providing technological facilities and advice, initial growth funds, network and linkages, co-working space, lab facilities, mentoring and advisory support. As early stage mentors, incubators are important part of startup ecosystem. Next, role of incubators under the startup policy. Incubators have an important role in the government Startup India scheme. As a part of scheme, the government has recognized 56 incubators across the country for supporting the startup. These incubators can recommend startup for availing benefits under Startup India scheme. Next, please. Startup incubators in India. These are the few incubators. Ameti Innovation Incubator. The Ameti Innovation Incubator is a pioneer concept of in contest of Indian universities supported by DST and Ministry of Science and Technology. Location is Noida, founded in year 2008. Focus areas: rural innovation and social entrepreneurship, information and communication technologies, which include cloud computing, big data, and funding up to 1 crore under this incubator. Next slide, please. Angel Prime. Location of Angel Prime is Bengaluru. Angel Prime is focused on startup in middle that need seed capital. It invest not more than 3 to 4 companies in a year. Foundation year is 2011. Focus area is mobile internet and mobile apps, and funding is up to 2000K to 6K in US dollars. Next slide, please. CIIMA. The Center for Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneur was set up by IIM Ahmedabad with the support of Government of India and Gujarat, government and operators through an autonomous and non-profit entities. The location of this is Ahmedabad, and it is founded in year 2002 and fully operational in 2007. Next, please. Next slide. ION Incubator established. ION Incubator is basically established in the year 2007. Its location is Delhi, and it is established with the support of National Science and Technology Entrepreneur Development Board and Department of Science and Technologies, and its focus is on telecom, mobile, gaming and internet, web, media, entertainment, and funding is from the various government agencies or angel inventors are the major funding agencies for under this incubator. Please next slide, please. iCreate. It is an initiative of Gujarat Foundation of Entrepreneurial Excellence and a joint venture of Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation Limited and Gujarat Entrepreneurial and Venture Promotion Foundation. It conducts various seminars, reach out programs, networking events, and both the students. And its location is in Ahmedabad and founded in 2011. Next slide. IndaWest, a startup incubator and venture management helping startup with the capital, business strategy and structure, providing across the right network and support. Its location is in Bangalore and founded in 2007. Focus areas are e-commerce, mobile application, customized gifting and branding solutions, software products. Next slide. Next slide. Khosla Labs. Khosla Labs was set up by Vinod Khosla and Shrikant Nandamuni in 2012 as an innovation lab to focus solving large-scale problems driven by the technology and entrepreneurial gene. The product gets prototyped and through in-house design and technology team. These prototypes are pilot tested and on the ground and get feedback from the market version when it's sent for an actual production. The location is Bangalore, founded in 2012, and focus areas are mobile payment banking, retail efficiency, and healthcare. Next slide, please.
I try to compile first. NSRCL. This is set up in the Bangalore, that is Nakur S. Raghavan Center for Entrepreneurial Learning. Okay, its location is Bangalore, founded in 2002. Its next slide, please. Science and Technology.
Entrepreneurship Park. Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Park Technology Incubator is based on IIT Kharagpur. Its location is Kharagpur. It is established in 1986 and fully operational in 1989. It is for the students to motivate for entrepreneurship at IIT Kharagpur. Next slide, please. Seed farm and seed fund. This is also another physical incubator. It's situated in Mumbai and founded in 2011 and 12. Next slide, please.
Conclude the session. Conclude it.
Just
conclude it.
Just conclude it. Next slide, please. Shine is the. There are 3-4 more. Next, please. Next.
Sukhjinder sir, please conclude. Kindly conclude. Sukhjinder sir, kindly conclude.
Yes, sir. Startup
please
village.
Conclude, sir.
Startup village is the technologies and Technopark. This is next. Next, sir. Thank you. Telegrow. Next, sir. Previous one. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Jaspal, are you ready?
Yes, I am audible, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Jaspal Singh, University College, Kudda. My topic is the best practices in online teaching during COVID-19. Teaching and learning is a necessary part of our education, be it formal or informal. Earlier, the teaching was offline. Student and teacher was used come together under a common space to practice the formal teaching and learning process. But with the arrival of this pandemic COVID-19, the scenario all over the world has changed. Students are dealing with a stressful situation with their family, health, and financially under the present circumstances. Teachers have this opportunity to normalize at least the education part of their lives. The COVID-19 changed the life. We follow new norms like social distancing. Some calls year 2020 a year of survival. The next question in hands, how to teach online. The biggest challenge in online courses is to provide a quality experience for learner, ensuring the learner are the one actually doing the work and learning all of the various technology necessary. These have been a huge surge in search phrases like how to teach online, best online teaching platforms, online teaching tools, and online teaching techniques. The solution in hand. The delivery of an online class in learning management system can be synchronized and asynchronized. Synchronized means student and teacher are online at the same time from different locations using the same communication tools such as free conference call, Zoom, Google Hangouts. Asynchronized allows students to access the course material at any time. Teaching learning process is successful need to be the combination of synchronized and asynchronized technology methods. Next, please. Next slide. Platform available for us like pre-conference call, Zoom, Moodle, Google Meet, Microsoft Team, Google Classroom. Finding the right online teaching platform is just the first step. Learning how to use the various features, connectivity is important by using a available platform like pre-conference call, Zoom, Google Meet, etc. And other online methods and apps like Vedantu Academy, Educart, Simple Learn, Byju's are available for the school students. Next, Punjabi University Patiala efforts. Especially, I want to mention efforts by Punjabi University Patiala. Punjabi University Patiala made special efforts for online teaching under the supervision of Dr. Vishal Goyal, Deputy Director, Center for E-Learning and Excellence, Teaching Excellence. Various tools like Moodle, customized platform for student and teacher, online lecture can be accessed anytime. WhatsApp for important information, free conference call app for various meetings, addressing the calls for away from the university. The other way outs are using like virtual classroom, flipped classroom, e-seminar, unified communication, collaboration platform like Microsoft Team, Google Classroom, Canvas, and other are webinars, online faculty development program, special arranged by the Punjabi University Patiala for campus and other centers and affiliated colleges. Colleges challenge to be addressed on the online teachings are practical training, technology related challenge, student engagement, overload of information, assessment, quality check. These are the challenges still for the teachers. Towards the end, it can be said that the world as we know it has changed. Blink of an eye. School closed overnight. Students were liberated from school and colleges, but confined to their homes. Parents had grappled with keeping children productive at home. Now everyone has deal with the situation in the stress of lockdown, hand washing and tracking of global speed of the virus. No one has paid heed to the hidden stress on the often neglected group teachers. So now everyone has to do it, live with corona and follow the norms of given by the government. Thank you.
Hello, Hanji Sakshi, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Sukhveer Kaur, Assistant Professor in Computer Science from Khalsa College, Patiala, and my topic of presentation is a survey of various graphic designing tools. As we all know, the presentation method for any design is very important. The development and presentation tools can change the perception of audience for a project. Therefore, graphic designing in today's era is very important. Graphic design is the practice of visually communicating and solving the problems using illustrations, print, styling,
photographs, and icons, and is a subset of visual communication as well as communication design. The graphic designers can create and combine text, images, and symbols to visually represent their ideas and messages. The various free graphic designing tools that are surveyed as given below: Canva, Trello, Snappa, Bannersnap, Photojet, Vector, and the Infograph. Further slides will explain these tools briefly. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Okay, thank you. The first one is Canva. To use Canva, it needs to log into canva.com. Graphics can be designed from scratch or can be used in built templates that are related to social media, personal use, education, etc. These templates can be edited by using own matter like images and videos or using already provided images and videos. Elements like grids, shapes, frames, gradients, charts, objects, or text bars like heading, subheading, and body with different formats and font styles can be added. One can add different backgrounds. While working with this tool, one can save his work and design using his own folder, and one can also directly present his designs. These designs can also be downloaded as different formats like MP4 video, JPG, PDF, or PowerPoint presentations also. These designs can also be shared with anyone to only view or edit by entering names or emails. Designs can also be shared by the links and can also be published or embedded to any website. Next slide, please. The next one is Trello. It needs to sign up to Trello.com. There are a number of templates available to use and design for YouTube channel, art, or for YouTube thumbnail, logos, presentations, infographics, ebooks, cards, etc. Custom size graphics are also available, and these templates can be edited by using photos, videos, animations, backgrounds, and text, etc. The designs can be shared or downloaded, but this tool is free for only 14 days. And for this free tool too, it demands your payment card details, and after providing the details, only it will let you download your designs for free. Next slide, please. The next tool is Snappa. One needs to sign up to snappa.com. It provides designs for social media posts, including Facebook posts, YouTube thumbnails, channel art, and YouTube end screens, Zoom virtual background, and email headers, etc. Designs can be created from scratch or templates can be used and edited. The designs can be saved using online folders and can also be shared directly to social media accounts. As a free version, only 3 designs can be downloaded per month, and these designs can be in the form of JPG and PNG formats. The next tool is Bannersnap. One needs to sign up to bannersnap.com. It is a good graphic designing tool to create attractive graphics like presentations, certificates, logos, letterheads, magazines, covers, and many more. One can create a design by choosing custom size as per the requirement or can use the templates. Backgrounds, text, different elements like shapes, marks, lines, and buttons and animators can also be added. One can create his own workspace and can edit this workspace. The designs can be downloaded as JPG, PNG, GIF, PDF, and MP4 formats, but it gives 10 designs for free for lifetime. The next one is Photojet. It is required to sign up on photojet.com. It provides facilities like creating designs for YouTube, banners, thumbnails, email headers, magazine covers, brochures, invitations, etc. One can create the designs from scratch or can use the templates and can also edit these templates by adding text, photos, shapes, clip art, images, backgrounds, etc. The designs can be saved or shared via social media and can be printed directly online. It provides only 7-day free trial. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. So thank you. The next tool is Vector. One needs to sign up on Vector.com and can prepare presentations, brochures, posters, and many more on this tool. It provides URL for every design, and the designs can be downloaded to the device and can also be directly printed. It provides cross-platform option to sync the projects in real time. It is a 100% free tool, and it is a simple and streamlined tool. The last tool is Infogram. One needs to sign up using Infogram.com. It provides many facilities like creating attractive charts, maps, infographics, dashboards, graphic design for Facebook posts, Insta posts, posters, slides, reports, etc. One can create his design from scratch or can use inbuilt templates and edit these templates as per the requirements. There are a number of chart types, maps, elements like galleries, timelines, image blocks, flowcharts, diagrams, etc. and graphics like icons, image stickers, video covers, GIFs, flags and shapes like rectangles, circles, lines, arrows, triangles, etc. can be added. The team members can also be added to a single project if multiple members want to work on the same project. And the projects can be downloaded in the form of JPEG, PNG or PDF formats and can be shared via links or can be published online. It is a free as well as a paid. Conclusion. After surveying these tools, the conclusion is that Canva and Infogram are best free tools for graphic design, as these both tools provide still a number of facilities in free version. And these are the references that I have used. Thank you all.
Still 2 participants are left, Dr. Harpreet Kaur and Dr. Rajendra Singh. Okay.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am. Very good afternoon to all. I, Dr. Harpreet Kaur, Assistant Professor in Department of Mathematical Sciences, IK Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Mohali. First of all, I am very thankful to the organizer team of HRDC, especially course coordinator, Respected Professor Vishal Goyal, and a resource person of this session, who has given chance me to present on the topic survey of various add-ons of Google Forms. Please, next slide. So, Google Form is web-based free software that is used to collect data. It is widely used for creating surveys and questionnaires, also different type of feedback of academic activities like workshop, conferences, and much more. So even though daily we are filling feedback form, that is a very beautiful application of Google Form, but its flexibility does not end here. So it can be extended by various add-ons. These add-ons are introduced by Google in October 2014. So which enables third-party developers to make new tools for more features in survey. Add-ons extend the functionality of Google Docs and Sheets and also increase the efficiency of the document by such as electronic signatures, improve opportunities for collaboration and communication with the G50. So even during the COVID-19, Google Forms played very well role in various academic activities and survey-based and survey-based research work. Please on the next slide. Next slide. So there are many excellent add-ons of Google Forms. I will discuss some top Google Forms. First is a form publisher, insert image in queues, booking calendar, email notifications, email notifications, choice eliminator, form limiter. So these add-ons can be browsed and installed by directly
clicking on this link. When you will click on this link, so Google Form first page will be open for creating the different type of surveys. So at that, so first add-on will be appear on the here. There will be different type of add-ons. Firstly, I want to discuss about the form publication. Please go on the next slide. Next slide. So this is the add-on. When you will click on the right hand side icon, 3 dots. So the under that icon there is a add-ons icon. So when you will click on that icon, there will be so many add-ons. So one of them is a form publisher. So form publisher actually is a transforms any Google document in the docs and sheets or slides. So this is easily shareable and accessible. You can send by email your all information of Google Form by converting the document like as a PowerPoint presentation or Word form. So next please. So this is very beautiful add-on of Google Form, especially for the mathematicians. For example, you want to insert any symbol, special expression, or mathematically questions, because in a Google Form you are not able to directly write any mathematical symbol. For the question you can insert image. For example, here I have given limit x tends to a f of x. This is the mathematical symbol. For this, firstly you have to create image for this symbol. Then you can insert in the question as well as in the option. For against every option and question, there will be image icon. You can upload image for the mathematical expression. So this is very useful for creating the multiple choice question papers. So next slide is for the booking calendar. This is a beautiful add-on of Google Forms. It creates the Google booking forms. Everyone can set an appointment or meeting. The way it works is simple. User load in any time and dates they want, and visitors to their forms will choose one of the options. So this in an image you can see. So this is the first column. There is a test calendar. After that there will be so many options. After following some steps of this form, you will be able to set your schedule, and that will be appear in your calendar. Please next slide. So there are some other add-ons of Google Form. Email notification. So this beautiful add-on, everyone we are watching. So every day we are filling feedback form and getting the email response with the filled Google Form details. Next is the choice eliminator. Simply deletes options from Google Forms. This add-on is ideal for preventing users from choosing the same option twice. So next is the table of contents. Automatically create a clickable table of contents in the sidebar. Form limiter. Form limiter, sometimes we fill a specific number of responses. And want to close, but this due to this add-on, this automatically prevents submission in Google Forms. Then next, so Google Form concluding remarks. Google Forms survey provides optimal way to perform and analyze internet surveys and a new method for data collection. And for the mathematicians, it is difficult to create mathematical symbols in Google Form. So to tackle this obstacle, we can create a latex form, a latex file as a DVI or PDF, or any images you can insert it directly in the Google Form. So you can create, otherwise you can use the Microsoft software. So these are the references I have followed while preparing my presentation. Thank you so much.
Now I request Dr. Rajwinder Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Audible?
Sir, kindly resolve your network issue.
जी मैम. जी मैम. Today my topic Punjabi source content on the internet in the special context of Punjabipedia. मैं ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਕੀ ਆ। ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਲਾਕਡਾਊਨ ਦੇ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਸਰੋਤ ਸਮੱਗਰੀ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿੱਲਤ ਸੀ, ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲ ਸੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੋ ਚਾਰ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ। ਉਦੋਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਰੀਜਨਲ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਥੈਂਟਿਕ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਆ
Sir, explain the things, a few things in English also so that it is understandable to others. But थोड़ा जब इंग्लिश की भी समझाओ सर। हाँ जी हाँ जी।
slide in English, explain the Punjabi, and I'm not read only slide. I explain the also about the slide. First slide में importance of Punjabipedia। जैसे एक रिपोर्ट आई थी, जो भी लैंग्वेज जो लैंग्वेज खत्म होने जा रही है। मैं पंजाबी
try to finish in 10 minutes. Try to finish in 10 minutes. Okay.
जैसे सर यूनेस्को की रिपोर्ट सी, उसके अनुसार की कुछ पंजाबी ਦੇ कुछ लैंग्वेज ने ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਭਵਿੱਖ ਦੇ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ। ਸਰ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਸ਼ੋ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ। ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਡਿਸਪਲੇ ਦਾ ਸਲਾਈਡ। ਸਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਦੇ ਡਾਟੇ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਜ਼ਰਵ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਇਹਦੇ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਕਿਉਂ ਪਈ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿਕੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜੋ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਅਥੈਂਟਿਸਿਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਹੈ। ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਯੂਜ਼ਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਡਿਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ, ਐਡਿਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹ ਡਾਟੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ। ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਪਟਿਆਲਾ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਬਲਿਸ਼ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਆ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਐਡਿਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਧ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਬਲਿਸ਼ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਾਕਡਾਊਨ ਦੇ ਡਿਊਰਿੰਗ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ, ਲਿਟਰੇਚਰ, ਕਲਚਰ ਦੀ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਇਸ ਸੋਰਸ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਈ ਬੁੱਕਸ ਨੇ, ਈ ਕੰਟੈਂਟ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਬਲਿਸ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਕਰੀਏ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਈ ਹਾਲੇ ਤੱਕ। ਸਰ ਕੌਣ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਨੂੰ? ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਯੂਨੀਕੋਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾਟ ਵਿਜ਼ੀਬਲ।
ਸਲਾਈਡ ਸ਼ੋ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਪਲੀਜ਼। ਸਲਾਈਡ ਸ਼ੋ।
Okay, it's not visible to all?
No sir, no.
Visible.
Okay.
Not my
screen. Just wait.
Slide show. I'm continue or wait?
No,
it is visible now. Okay, it is visible.
Sir, ये slide हो चुकी है। Next slide please. Next. Yes. Next sir. Next sir. Okay sir. Please stop there. ये slide ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਇਹ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਸੀਗੀ ਫਲੋ ਚਾਰਟ ਆਫ ਡਾਟਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸਿੰਗ। ਲਾਈਕ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਡਾਟਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਡਾਕਟਰ ਵਿਸ਼ਾਲ ਜੀ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ, ਅਗਰ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਟਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਰਚ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੋਈ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਸਰਚ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਪਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਡਾਟਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਰੋਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਸੁਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲੇ, ਉਹ ਇਸ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ। ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਰੋਂਗ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਸਰਚ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਰੋਂਗ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਸਲਾਈਡ। ਰੋਂਗ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗ ਕੀਵਰਡ ਟਾਈਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੋਮਨ ਦੀ ਟਾਈਪਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਕੋਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਕੋਈ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਕੀਬੋਰਡ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਟਾਈਪ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਪਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਗੁਰਮੁਖੀ ਸਰਚ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਤਿੰਨੇ ਪੈਟਰਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ, ਇੱਕ normal pattern, Roman type, and convert to Gurmukhi. And in script typing, typing to all Indian script. Phonetic typing, P to Papa, K to Kakka, T, S to Sir. Essentially, regimental style typing to traditional typing to from shifting the typewriter other user. Next slide, please. This slide showing in the different pattern of typing layout. This slide showing other we type the wrong spelling to suggest suggestion box to suggest correct spelling in Punjabipedia search box. This is wrong spelling to correct suggestion Punjabipedia search box. Next slide, please. This is also wrong spelling type. This is also Amarta Pritam without Lagamatra. If user not proper type the matra, this slide showing the some related to topic. जैसे जिवें मिलते हो जुलते टॉपिक ने, जिवें किसी ने अष्टपदी पढ़ना, अष्टपदी नाल जिहड़े होर रिलेटेड टॉपिक ने गे आरती आ कामरूप आ लाउणी आ, यह बैकएंड दे उत्ते साडे द्वारा कैटेगराइज कीते गया हर टॉपिक नूं लैके उहदी कैटेगरी आइडेंटिफाई करके उहदे नाल जिहड़े मिलते जुलते टॉपिक ने गे ओह कोई भी इसका यूजिंग कोई भी एक टॉपिक ओपन हुआ है उन्होंने पढ़ते हुए तुसी अगर जेडे हाइपलिंक ने उहदे ते क्लिक करके तुसी उस नाल संबंधित वो डाटा जेड़ा वो पढ़ सकते होगे. प्लीज नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. हेलो प्लीज नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. यस, ये रिसोर्स ऑफ फॉर पंजाबीपीडिया किहड़े रिसोर्स का पंजाबीपीडिया दे विच इस्तेमाल जेड़ा वो कीता गया. जिन्ना भी डाटा लिया गया वो जां तां ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਮਾਹਰ ਆਪੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਸ਼ਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕਲੈਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਉਹਦੀ ਐਡੀਟਿੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਿਆ, ਜਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਪਟਿਆਲਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਲਿਟਰੇਚਰ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਮੋਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਆ, ਉਹਦੇ ਪਬਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਬਿਊਰੋ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਡਿਕਸ਼ਨਰੀ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਡਾਟਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਉਸ ਡਾਟੇ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ. ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਵਿਭਾਗ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਜੋ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਲਿਟਰੇਚਰ ਦੀ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਲਈ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਉਸ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਜੋ ਡਾਟਾ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਹਿਤ ਅਕਾਦਮੀ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਐਮਓਯੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਡਾਟਾ ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਬਲਿਸ਼ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ. ਕੁਝ ਸੋਰਸ ਦੀ ਲਿਸਟ ਆ ਗਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਦਿਖ ਰਹੀ ਹੈਗੀ. ਇਹਦੇ ਅਨੁਸਾਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਡਾਟਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਥੈਂਟਿਕ ਆ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਮਾਹਰ ਦੇ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਐਸਟੈਬਲਿਸ਼ ਆ ਉਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ. ਇਹ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਕੁਝ ਸੋਰਸ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਰਕ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂਗੇ. ਲਾਈਕ ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਗੁਰਸ਼ਬਦ ਰਤਨ ਮਹਾਨ ਕੋਸ਼, ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੀ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਆਂ, ਲਿਸਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੜਾਂਗਾ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਪਲੀਜ਼. ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਟੋਟਲ ਐਂਟਰੀਜ਼ ਇਨ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ, ਮੇਨ ਐਂਟਰੀਜ਼ 1,20,700, ਡਿਕਸ਼ਨਰੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 89,003 ਐਂਟਰੀ, ਟੋਟਲ 2,09,703 ਐਂਟਰੀਜ਼ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਨੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਨੇ. ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਗੂਗਲ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਵੀ ਸਰਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਈਟਾਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਡਾਟਾ ਪੀਡੀਐਫ ਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਇਮੇਜ ਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ, ਪਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਟੋਟਲੀ ਯੂਨੀਕੋਡ ਬੇਸਡ ਔਰ ਟੈਕਸਟ ਬੇਸਡ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਾਈਟ ਆਈਡੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਆ. ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗੂਗਲ ਸਰਚ ਇੰਜਨ ਆ ਟੂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਲ ਡਾਟਾ ਟੂ ਸਰਚੇਬਲ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਗੂਗਲ ਸਰਚ ਇੰਜਨ. ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਸਲਾਈਡ. ਲਾਈਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਤੇ ਡਾਟਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਕੀਵਰਡ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਰਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਗੂਗਲ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਇਹ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ 2014 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਪਟਿਆਲਾ ਦੁਆਰਾ, ਉਦੋਂ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਵਰੇਜ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਪਲੇ ਸ਼ੋ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਇਸ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਸਲਾਈਡ. ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀਕਲੀ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਕੀਤਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਇਹ ਕੁਝ ਸਲਾਈਡ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਪਲੀਜ਼. ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ. ਇਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪੀਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਫੌਂਟ ਕਨਵਰਟਰ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵੀ ਡਾਟਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹ ਨਾਨ ਯੂਨੀਕੋਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀਗਾ. ਲਾਈਕ ਅਸੀਸ ਫੌਂਟ, ਪ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਜਾਂ DR ਚਾਤਰਿਕ all font non Unicode system, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਪਰਸੋਂ ਵੀ plagiarism ਦੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਡਾਟਾ ਉਹਦਾ plagiarism ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਤਾਂ Unicode ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣਾ ਲਾਜ਼ਮੀ ਆ। ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ font converter ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ। font converter ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਡਾਟੇ ਨੂੰ Unicode ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ PDF ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਾ ਰਿਹਾ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਟੂਲ ਆ GLipic ਆ। ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਯੂਜ਼ਰ ਟ੍ਰੈਡੀਸ਼ਨਲ ਫੋਨੈਟਿਕ ਰਗਮੈਂਟਨ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਟਾਈਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ। GLipic ਦੁਆਰਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਯੂਜ਼ਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਟਾਈਪ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਹੈਲਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਟਾਈਪ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ PDF ਲਈ ਡਾਟਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੋਰਸ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਆ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕੁਝ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਸੀ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਗਿਆਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਸੀਗਾ, ਡਿਕਸ਼ਨਰੀ ਸੀ, ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੋਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਗੁਰਮੁਖੀ ਟਾਈਪਿੰਗ ਟਿਊਟਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਸਕਦਾ। ਇਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ PDF ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੋਰਸ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ PDF ਤੇ ਪਬਲਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ। ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਚਰਨਜੀਵ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਜ਼ ਏ ਕੋ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਟਰ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ। ਟੈਕਨੀਕਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਮਾਫੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਨੈਟ ਵਰਤ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ। ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਨੈਟ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੋਈ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈਗੀ, ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਫੋਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
Thank you all participants. Now I request Dr. Himanshu sir to say few words to the participants.
First participant is remaining or all are complete? All are complete?
Yes sir, all participants.
Okay, it was a very nice session, very you can say promising, with the wide variety of topics, right from the COVID-19 to the various topics of latest topics of computers, especially application based. So although it is an online session, there is no question answering session and all other things, but it was a great experience for me to listen to all. Overall my experience has been marvelous, and thanks a lot to all the participants, and I congratulate Dr. Vishal sir for organizing such a good session despite technical difficulties.
Thank you very much for sparing time, and you have given very good feedback.
Thanks a lot sir.
Yeah, so Jitendra ma'am, please conclude it.
I, on the behalf of all the participants of 84th refresher course ICT, like to thank Dr. Himanshu for preparing extra minutes for attending this session. Now I request all the participants to stand for next.